This is our signal from the switch. This is our ground to the switch. This is going to be our positive to the switch. This positive will be for all the switches. This ground will be for all the switches, but each signal wire is individual to the switch. Right there you can see that hole through the fender, and you can watch me feed a wire through it. Okay, so now we're going to place our switches. I have our switch wiring wired up down here. Our out of circuit is in our fuse box, connected to a fuse that only gets power when the ignition is on. So now we're going to place these. So our switches are going to start here, and then they're just going to go down. To get the correct spacing, we have our little set screw. I'm just going to set on here after I mark the middle and make sure that we have enough space between everything. I'm going to make our mark at 3/4 of an inch. All right, I've got that straight line marked. So we have this little set screw that goes onto the back of our switches, and we're using that to draw the outline of where we want the switches to be. Just like that. All right, our center points are marked. Not in the most beautiful fashion, but they are marked. So these will serve as our drill points. To bore these out correctly, we have this 3/4 inch spade bit and an 1/8 inch pilot hole. All right, I'm going to take a file and clean these up some and get our switches installed.